Hello, this is Kenneth Wong, contributing editor for Desktop Engineering magazine. So most of us run analysis from a software interface with a visual graphical interface that let us apply loads, subdivide meshes, apply pressure, then watch the part twist and deform under stress or in heat. But there's another way to run analysis, or tweak the analysis parameters and try out different scenarios. What we're looking at here, this bunch of text and numbers, well, they are in fact analysis results. And this is the analysis equivalent of opening up an HTML document in a text editor to do raw code editing instead of editing it in, say, Dreamweaver. What we're looking at here is the window view of the text editor tab. It's called NEi Editor. Certain things are not easy to edit in a text editor, let's face it. Something like changing something to a specific node, for example. It's much easier in that case to pick the node you want in the model in the Visual FEA window, because you'll have an easier time locating it than browsing it through a series of numbers. In fact, NEi gives you a way to type in a specific node number, then let the software highlight it for you on screen. But if you need to, say, change the thickness of a part or simply switch material, that might be easily done in a text window, because you can just type in the new numeric value. So why not just open that code in a notepad or another text editor, you might ask? Well, that's a fair question. You see, I have no doubt some analysts do that, but that's the advantage of editing these numerical data in NEi Editor. At any given moment, if you highlight something and hit F1, you get an explanation of what it is that you are dealing with in context. You can't do that in a notepad or some other generic text editor. So as you can see here, if you like to, you can simply change the thickness or something else that is easy to change in a text editor, and then simply close the NEi Editor window and rerun the analysis again to get the new results. If you'd like to learn more about NEi's latest release, FEMAP 10, you can visit NEi's site and watch the What's New in FEMAP 10 webinar video. I'm not going to show it here because, frankly, I think NEi is doing a much better job at that than I can possibly do. By the way, this is the 20th year of NEi, I'm told. So the fact that FEMAP 10 is released in the year 2010, well, I think there is some sort of Kabbalistic significance to it. I just don't know what it is. So till next time, this is Kenneth Wong for Desktop Engineering magazine.